If this is your first time here, call me Nicholas, and in this video, we're going to look at one of the Ugandan most consumed street food. Actually, I think I should title this video Kampala Nightlife Street Food in Uganda. It's a confusing title, but we are going to look at one of the street foods Ugandans enjoy most. You might be there asking yourself, what do really Ugandans eat on a daily basis? Today we're going to share one of the foods. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. So we are going to make 2 kilos. This is called Nairo patch. You can also do a home recipe. It always makes the most delicious recipe at home. As you cook the tilapia, the same way you can cook the what? The Nairo patch. Oh, so keep watching. Sorry about the background noise. There are so many in this place, but I'm trying to. Sorry about that. Sorry about the background noise. There are so many bars in this place. So many. How should I call them? But I'm trying my level best not to record everything that's going to happen in this place, and also avoid copyright. I can't wait. You know, always my favorite part is when I eat, but these are the preparation stages, all that. I can't wait. I'm always so impatient for that last part. I hope people don't copyright us because of the what? The music which is running around. People are watching Europa, others are in the bar dancing while boozing. We are here eating. We're supposed to be in bed at this time, but we decided to come out and do the video for you. As you have seen what is happening here, this type of sweet food, they deep fry it. It's called tilapia. Fried. No, not tilapia. Yeah, it is called Nairo patch. Fried Nairo patch. Deep fried Nairo patch. I'm trying to not to go wrong, not to speak the broken English, but I'm failing. You know, it is a foreign language, and also always we struggle to speak it. I wish I can do this in Uganda, in my language. Deep frying takes about 30 minutes, and after that, you just eat. There is no other stuff you're going to do. Just 30 minutes, and then you add on kachumbari. I hope you know what it means by kachumbari. It's just a mixture of sliced tomatoes and then the onions, the big ones, not the carrots, by the big ones. Each kilo of Nairo patch costs around 20K Ugandan shillings. I'm going to put that on the screen in dollars or in any, let us say dollars, because this is what Ugandans use mostly, apart from shillings. There are so many street foods, but I'm not going to show all the foods, because you have been on this channel and you have seen most of these street foods. But there's a lady you're watching on the screen. She sells tea, also porridge around this place. If you want to get tea, hot one, and porridge, which is also hot one, you can talk to her, the one you're seeing on the screen, with a beautiful smile. So we are waiting for our emputa. It's called the emputa in my language. We are waiting for it for 30 minutes, and then after we are going to eat, and we'll close this video. I want to make it as short as possible.
Uganda, weba seva. Saba majjukiza eggwanga eppya naye nga tulowooza ng'abakulu. Twebuze n'amagezi nga tukola eggwanga eppya ng'abakulu. We are tired of this load. Since
temuseka bagambe mu luzungu babitegeere kuba kati abamanyiza okugamba tetwabitegeera ayogera Luganda lwokka
naye ate kambitabule nti bulungi bwa nsi yakolebwanga mu Buganda
kivuunule
nti in our future
in our future ekasoka amalirize in our future
we can work to our country but the Lord is destroyed. We are tired. We want to build a new
Uganda. Kale, tweyanziza nnyo mama.
Thanks my people.
All right. Thank you so much for watching. We're waiting for our meal to get ready. We eat, we go back and sleep. Kale mama tweyanziza nnyo. So finally, this is always my favorite part as you watch these videos. I always say this is my favorite part. So our fish is ready, tilapia, our Nile patch. Always I say tilapia. Our Nile patch is ready. We're going to eat. Don't go anywhere. You know what I do best? I test. I thought this video is going to be easy to make because it is already late, but man, crazy stuff always happen. This is the time we have been waiting for, so let's go and eat. You know, I can't wait. I've been eating. I don't remember washing my hands, but I washed them. Don't worry about that. I'm always want to keep my hands clean, always. Thank you so much for being patient. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, be part of this family. Like the video. Just imagine if everyone is watching this video is liking, we are going to go viral. Each view with its own like. Imagine about that. Think about that. All right, let us. Now, some of you are saying, why don't I add chili? I personally, I don't like chili, and most Ugandans don't eat chili. Hey, please, if you're watching this video, you can come on the table and we enjoy this together. Always you're complaining, I eat alone. This time come. Come. Don't be here just spiritually, but come physically.
Inanga nzikiriza mwana ngeno meko tukola mawulire mu nayo ikubo lyaffe okulya sikulu naye kubo
Ali atokuyogera ku kkubo jjako ekirala oli ogende jjako n'ekyo jjako ekyokubiri
kale mwebale kati muli kuki
ne bwogenda I think we need to stop here. Catch up in the next video. Bye bye.